Hello students, welcome you all in my YouTube channel. Today I will start the topic storage device. First of all, you all know that what is a storage unit. The storage device are used to store the information and data, for the future use. And it store the data until we delete it. So our data will remain there until we delete it. So it is a most important unit of our computer, and there are so many storage devices we use in our storage unit. First of all, I think you all are familiar with the hard disks. This is the most common storage device to store the large amount of data. And I think among all the storage units, hard disk has the largest storage capacity. It is also called SD, that means hard disk, or HDD, hard disk drive, or its other name is Winchester. Clear? So first of all, you try to understand how our hard disk is formed. Our hard disk is formed with the circular plates. Our hard disk is formed with the circular plates, that is called platter. These platters are stacked one after other in a spindle. Spindle is like this, and on this these circular plates are kept, and each plate has, and these circular plates are coated with the magnetic material. These circular plates are coated with the magnetic material which stores the data. And these platters, the platters is coated with coated on both of its sides, that is upper side and lower side. And each platter has its own read and write head for each platter. Clear? That means there is a arm beside the platter which contains a separate read and write head for each platter. क्लियर? जितना नंबर ऑफ प्लेटर होगा उतना नंबर ऑफ रीड एंड राइट हेड होगा. बात में आ गया? क्लियर. उसके बगल में एक सिंगल आर्म्स होता है और इसमें जो होता है ये रीड एंड राइट हेड होता है. क्लियर. So each platter has the same and each platter has a circular tracks. And this circular tracks is further divided into the sectors, and sector is the smallest division in a platter which contains the data, and each sector has its own location address. Clear? So just you try to understand, our hard disk is coated with the magnetic material, which is hard and flexible and which is used to store the data, and it has the largest storage capacity up to the 8 TB. Clear? And the platter move with the very high speed, and the randomly data can be read from the platters. The speed of platter is 24,000 to 15,000 round per minute. Clear? So this is the speed of the platter which rotates on the spindle, and you also try to understand we can randomly read the data from the platter. Clear? And its speed is very fast. And it can be reused. So this is the hard disk. Clear? Now second storage device I am going to discuss is CD and DVD. You all know it very well. CD. It was the earlier version of the optical disc, and DVD is the new version of the optical disc. Both of these are the optical disc. CD and DVD both are called optical disc. Clear? CD stands for compact disc. Sometimes we also call CD-ROM, that is compact disc read only memory. Read only memory means what? Once the data is written on CD, can be read many times, and write once. Clear? So once the data is written on CD, we cannot change the data, we cannot change the information stored on the CD. Clear? It is a type of optical disc, that means optical disc which is used to store the large amount of data, information, software, programs, sound, audio, video, etc. Clear? So we can also say that CD is the type of portable device in which these data can be stored. Data means what? data means of software, audio, video, graphics, multimedia contents can be stored in the CD. Clear? And optical, the head of the CD player emits the optical light to read the data on the CD. Clear? The storage capacity of CD is maximum 700 MB. Okay, clear? And I think you might have seen the CD. One of the surfaces has a reflecting effect. Reflecting effect means what? Shining effect. Clear? And on the shining surface of the CD there is a protective polycarbon layers. Okay, clear? And this is the top layer of the CD, contains the polycarbon layer. Okay, clear? On which data is stored. Clear? On which data is, and the lower layer of the CD contains the description about the CD. Okay, clear? That means the bottom layer. Okay, clear? To read the data from CD, a high power laser beam is required, which is emitted by the head of the CD player to read the data. Okay, clear? So our CD comes in two different sizes. Okay, first 120 mm and second 80 mm diameter. Okay, and you also try to understand there are two types of CDs. Okay, CD-R and CD-RW. Okay, CD-R means what? CD recordable, and CD-RW means CD rewritable. CD recordable means what? In this type of CD, okay, the data can be recorded only once but can be read again and again. This is the function of CD-R. Okay, now I will discuss about the CD-RW. In CD-RW, clear, that means CD rewritable. Okay, it allowed to erase the data. That means the previously data stored on the CD can be erased, can be deleted, and we can write new data again on the CD. So it is called rewritable. Rewritable means what? We delete the previously loaded data and store the new data. Clear? Now I will discuss about the DVD. That means digital versatile disc. Its earlier name was digital video disc. That means it was previously used for only storing the videos. Now its name has been changed. Digital versatile. Versatile means what? Multi-purpose. That means multiple types of media files, data can be stored on the DVD. So DVD stands for digital versatile disc, and it is the next version of the CD. Clear? And it is more popular than the CD. Clear? And it is a type of digital disc. Okay, clear? Now DVDs are also optical disc, which has the larger storage capacity as compared to the CD. Okay, and DVD also store high quality videos, audios, and other kind of digital files. Okay, and one more important thing you also keep in mind, our DVD comes in two sizes, single sided and double sided. Okay, clear? And the storage capacity of the CD is 6 times larger than the storage capacity of DVD is 6 times larger than the CD. Clear? And the speed of data, that means data transmission is speed, data reading speed is much faster than the CD, and the quality of files, quality of information, quality of data stored on DVD is much higher than the CD. Clear? And storage capacity is 5 times even 7 times, clear, more than the CD. Okay, in single sided DVD we can store 4.7 GB, and in double sided we can store up to 15 GB. Clear? Like CD, DVD also comes in two types. DVD-R, that means DVD recordable. DVD-RW, that means DVD rewritable. Okay, DVD-R means you can record data only once and read again and again, and DVD-RW means what? You can erase the previous data and record the new data. Clear? Now I will discuss about the next type of the optical disc, Blu-ray disc. Okay, Blu-ray disc. Okay, this is the next version of the optical disc, and it is ahead to the CD and DVD. Clear? So that means Blu-ray disc, okay, is a new version of the optical disc. Okay, and nowadays it is most common, most popular, and which is replacing the DVDs. Okay, clear? And and in Blu-ray disc we can store the high definition datas, okay, like audio, video, and other multimedia contains high definition. Okay, and storage capacity is much larger than the CD. In single-sided Blu-ray disc, it can store up to 15 GB, 25 GB, and double-sided we can store up to 50 GB. Clear? And its name is Blu-ray disc. That means it required blue-violet rays to read the data from the DVD. Blu-ray disc. It also comes in single-sided and double-sided. Clear? And its dimension is same as the CD and DVD. Clear? So the features of Blu-ray disc are, it has the largest storage capacity than the other optical disc. As I told you, in single-sided 25 GB data can store, and in double-sided 50 GB data can be stored. Clear? And the resolution means what? High definition, 1080 pixel high definition videos can be stored in the Blu-ray disc. Okay, data transmission and data storage, data transmission, that means data reading speed is very fast. Clear? And randomly data can be accessed. So these are the features of the Blu-ray disc. So today we had discussed about hard disk, CD, DVD, and Blu-ray disc. Okay, this is enough for this video, and in next video I will discuss about pen drive, memory stick. Okay, if you like my video, then like it, subscribe it, and share it. Okay, so that my channel can get more popularity. Okay, thanks.